Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to unboxing of Oppo Reno 10x Zoom. So here, as you can see, it's around takes 5 seconds to open, similar kind to iPhone. So this is the phone, here's the screen and the back side, and the color is super awesome. It's a black phone. Actually we came to take a green one, but they don't have in a stock, so instead of green we are buying this black one phone, Oppo Reno 10x Zoom. So here, as you can see, is a data cable, like charging cable, and here is the adapter. So yeah, and it's a fast charger. Yes. So headphone is also pretty good by look. So quickly we go through with the features, and the front camera is around 16 megapixel, and rear camera is 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 13 megapixel. It's a triple camera phone, and the CPU is Snapdragon 855 octa core up to 2.8 gigahertz, and the battery is quite good, 4065 mAh, and the screen is 6.6 AMOLED. Display is around 2340 into 1080, so it's 2340 into 1080, and the memory is 8 GB is the RAM, and the internal is 256 is the internal space, and you can expand this memory till 256 via your micro SD card you can connect. So total around 600 you can get, not 600, it's between 550 to 600. And the SIM card is dual, two SIM you can use on this phone. And here you can see the camera is also pretty good. Here you can see it's an iPhone zooming, iPhone X I am having right now. So that's the, as you can see, Oppo Reno 10x Zoom. Yeah, it's came with the not the tempered, you can say it's kind of drink. Drink is also good, it's new in the market. So drink will come with the company side. This is the cover, back cover. Yeah. So I'll remove this white paper. So this is the quality of back cover, designed by the Oppo. It's quite flexible. Yeah. So quickly go through with the specification. Almost done. And the weight of this phone is about 215 gram. So this phone color is jet black, and the other variant is in the color is coming is ocean green, which is out of stock right now. Ultra night mode, Reno series. So it's a cover like phone के ऊपर जो होता है. So this is the specification as you can see on the screen. You can pause it and you can see whatever you want to like check. So Oppo Reno series 10x hybrid. This is my riding jacket, which is I am using while riding. So this is the sound quality of this phone, Oppo Reno, as you can see, the full volume, and the video quality as well. Screen is full screen phone. Not even camera is on the screen. Here's the headphone. It's Type C headphone. The color is also good. It's ocean green color. Headphone is. I think this headphone you can get in the both variant in Oppo Reno. They launch in two series, Oppo Reno and Oppo Reno 10x Zoom. This is the bill. It's cost around 50,000. It's the first review of this phone. So as you can see my tattoo as well. This is the fast charging adapter. And it's doing all the setting. Yeah, so this is the cover of your charger and Type C plug. It's a cap basically. Yeah, like this, as you can see. Type C also. Phone is awesome phone. This is the back side with the cover. 3 camera with the extreme lenses. Yeah, this is the phone you can see. Screen. The back side, yeah, there is the lock unlock button, camera 1 2, and the third one is the I think lens, and the green one is again the camera. Type C charging point. Here's I am checking the camera. Camera quality, as you can see, it's awesome. See, so that next outlet shop is so far from this shop. It's like opposite, but zooming is quite good. खतरनाक जूम करता है भाई, खतरनाक, एक नंबर है भाई। तो आप जस्ट देख ही सकते हो कि ये कितना जूम कर रहा है। सामने वाले सैमसंग की और दूसरी आउटलेट है जो उन पे शोरूम पे। ये तो हो गया आपका बैक कैमरा। सो फ्रंट कैमरा से भी हम चेक कर लेते हैं। सो ये है फ्रंट कैमरा और ऊपर से आप देख सकते हो कि ये लाइक काइंड ऑफ जैसे पुराने ज़माने में फ्लिप फ़ोन्स आते थे, सो वैसे ही फ्लिप कैमरा है इसमें। Here is the flashlight of the camera. Camera quality is awesome, awesome. तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी है फ्रंट की। ये रहा, he is the owner of this phone। किधर गया? ये रहा। I am the owner of this phone। So video quality is quite nice. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like and comment also. Thank you so much for being here, for giving your precious times to watch my video. Thank you. Do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's a new but subscribe, yeah.